Hi everyone, we're going to find the radius of convergence and interval of convergence of the series given here. We're going to use the ratio test and set our limit less than 1. So we're going to take the limit as n approaches infinity of absolute value of a sub n plus 1 divided by a sub n. Okay, so substituting in everything, we're going to get absolute value of n plus 1 times x plus 1 to the power of n plus 1 divided by 4 to the power of n plus 1. And then when you divide by a sub n, it's the same as multiplying by the reciprocal. So that's going to be times 4 to the power of n divided by n times x plus 1 to the nth power. All right, let's simplify all this. This right here, well, first of all, let's just write this as the limit as n approaches infinity. And we're going to write this is going to be n plus 1 divided by n. All right. And then for this piece, we're going to get, when you simplify these two, this is just going to be x plus 1 to the nth power. So this is going to be x plus 1 to the nth power. And when you simplify these, that's going to be divided by 4 because the n's cancel. All right, so now we can pull this out. So this is going to equal absolute value of x plus 1. This is just x to the 1, sorry. Absolute value of x plus 1 divided by 4 times the limit as n approaches infinity. And this is just going to be 1 plus 1 divided by n. So this just equals 1. So we get, we want our absolute value of x plus 1 divided by 4 to be less than 1. Or you could say, cross multiply, absolute value of x plus 1 has to be less than 4. So our r, our radius of convergence, is 4 if and only if we have negative 4 is less than x plus 1 is less than 4. So when you add, subtract 1 from both sides, we get negative 5 is less than x is less than 3. So basically, this has to be our radius of convergence. And now we have to test our endpoints here. We're testing our endpoints so we can get the interval of convergence. So basically, when x equals negative 5 or x equals 3, both of the series, and we get n equals 1 to infinity, and you're going to have minus plus, I'm going in order here, to the nth power of n. So when you take the limit of this, the test for divergence is going to go the limit as n approaches infinity of absolute value of negative plus 1 to the nth times n. This equals infinity. So since it's infinity, the interval of convergence is still going to be negative 5 to 3, but it's open interval. So it's negative 5 to 3. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.